Easily plan and migrate your VMware workloads to AWS with Workload Factory. Planning and executing a VMware migration from an on-premises data center to AWS can be complex. You need to map your current on-prem configuration, plan its implementation in AWS based on industry best practices, and then execute it without errors. Let's see how Workload Factory helps you plan and create your EVS deployment. In Workload Factory, under the VMware section, open the Plan and Create menu. Choose Amazon Elastic VMware Service to plan and create an EVS deployment. Specify your EVS environment requirements. Choose the AWS region where you wish to deploy and fill in your other VMware requirements such as VM capacity, required IOPS, required throughput, and data store count. Click Review Plan when ready. You can see your FSx for ONTAP capacity storage breakdown, a monthly cost breakdown, an FSx for ONTAP data store configuration, and more. Click Provision to proceed. Fill in your FSx for ONTAP file system name and ONTAP credentials. On the right-hand side, you'll see a code snippet of the CloudFormation stack that will create a plan on your AWS account. You can copy it to your account manually or click Create below. You will be routed to your AWS account where a CloudFormation stack will create the AWS resources in your plan. Tick the acknowledgement boxes and click Create Stack. Sit back while CloudFormation deploys your configuration. Easily plan and migrate your VMware workloads to AWS with Workload Factory.